welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a dewy skin foundation routine. If you've been on my channel for some time, you will know that I tend to stay towards the more matte side of my foundation just because I have combinated skin. I don't want to look like an oil slick, I don't want to look greasy or shiny, but recently I have been loving this dewy skin, glowy, glass, luminescent, radiant foundation routine. So I thought I would share it with you guys, considering one, we're now coming into spring, the weather's turning so much better, it's so much more sunny out, even though it is really windy out, and I'm sorry if you can hear that, but I can't help that. And also we need some light in the doomsday that is coronavirus. I don't want to talk too much about that because a lot of people like myself come to YouTube to get away from reality. So if you want to see how I go from this to a more dewy, goddess, radiant, luminescence foundation routine look, then please keep watching. So first is primer. Now I'm going to go in with two primers today. One is going to be the NYX Honey Dew Up Luminescence Radiant Primer. This is going to give some more longevity to my foundation. It's going to give my foundation a radiance from within kind of look. It's going to give my foundation more glow, and when I say it's going to give my foundation more longevity, it's kind of like a tacky texture, so your foundation really sticks to your primer and it's not going to slip and slide or melt away. And I'm also going to go into the Pore primer from Rvolution makeup. This is going to blur out all of my large pores. It's going to give me that Barbie-esque, smooth, flawless, poreless canvas, because we all want to look like a Barbie doll with smooth skin. Now that we are primed, now we're going to go into this little guy from NYX. This is the Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation, and I'm in the shade Porcelain, which I believe is the lightest shade. I'm just going to give it a good old shake. This is a light to medium coverage foundation. It's also a buildable foundation, so you can have a more natural day and you can have a more glam day where it's more full coverage. It depends on what you are going for and how your skin is. If you are looking just to kind of even out your skin tone, a little bit of this foundation goes a very long way and it will even out your skin tone, giving you that natural glow. And like I said, if you want to go more glam, you can definitely build it if you want. But today I'm going to go in with a foundation brush first to apply it to keep that coverage, but then I'm going to go into my beauty blender and I'm going to blend that all out, and it's going to give me a more softer, natural appearance. It's not going to look cakey, it's just going to look more soft but still dewy. So as you can see, it's now giving me a really nice, dewy, glowy, all over skin tone. So now I'm going to go into concealer. And for today's concealer is the Rvolution Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear 16-hour Longwear Concealer. I'm in the shade C005, and I'm just going to stick that under my under eyes, on my forehead, down my nose, a little bit just above my lip, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin, just to conceal those non-designer handbags under my eyes, but to also brighten the under eye and also to bring my forehead, my nose and my chin a little bit forward, just as a highlight, so we have some dimension going on once we also have that contour on. Next is cream contour, and for that I'm going to go into the Wonderstick highlight and contour stick by NYX, and this is in the shade light to medium, and I'm just going to go into my very well used contour shade. I'm just going to contour the hollows of my cheeks, the temples, down my nose and my double chin. Next is liquid highlight. Now, you know I love my liquid highlights, you know I love a good blinding highlight, so you know I've got the products for that. So this is the iconic London Illuminator drops in the shade Original. There is a lighter shade and there is a darker shade, but I've currently ran out of the lighter shade, so I've gone in with the Original, and I love these. These are so luminescent and glowy. They're just everything. Every makeup artist, makeup enthusiast, makeup lover needs these in their collection, their bag. Next is to set the under eyes to stop them from creasing, and also set the sides of my nose. Because I am combinated skin, I still want the centre portion of my face to still be dewy but matte as well, because that is the one place I'm going to end up being a oil slick, greasy, shiny, not a cute look. So for that I'm going to go into the I Love Rvolution coconut scented baking powder, and I'm just going to stick that under my eyes, down the sides of my nose, a little bit on my forehead. Yeah. Next is bronzer. This is from Laura Geller. This is the Baked Body Frosted Face and Body Glow Interheating Glow, and it's gorgeous, but a little bit goes a long way, so I'm just going to stick this all over where I have already contoured, just to give me that glowy, I've just come back off holiday when realistically I haven't left the house in 8 days kind of vibe. Next is blush, and for blush I'm going to go into the Baked Powder blush from Milani, and this is in the shade Luminoso, and it's such a gorgeous pearlescent, luminescent, shimmery blush. I'm not normally a shimmer blush kind of girl, but for this look and for this skin you need a shimmery blush just to give you a flush of colour, so it's a more natural kind of flush, but I'm still going to do it like an 80s kind of flush of colour because that's a vibe. Just starting from the apples of my cheeks, I'm just kind of like blending that into the bronzer. I'm just going to take a little bit on my temples as well, because why not? Next, my favourite part again, is highlighter. You can never have enough highlight on your face. And I'm going to go into this Sky. This is the Rvolution Glass Crystal Illuminator, and I absolutely adore this highlighter so freaking much. I love how it leaves my skin looking so glass, shimmery, luminescent, radiant. It's let me show you. Like, how beautiful is this highlight? Oh, it's just everything. So I am glowing to the gods right now, and this is my dewy skin routine done. But I need to finish off this entire look right. I need to put a lip to this eye, to this glowy skin. So for lip liner, I'm going to go into the Lottie London Slay All Day lip liner in the shade Work It. For lip colour, I'm going to go into two. I'm going to go into the Lottie London Slay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Work It, which was part of a lip kit with the lip liner. But I'm also going to go into the Tarte's Lip Paint from Tarte in the shade Pillow Talk, just to give me a bit of a subtle ombre. And then to finish the look off completely is lip gloss. This is the Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss in the shade Sunkissed. And that is the finished look done, although you were only here for the foundation routine. But if you would like a tutorial on how to do this eye look, then let me know it down below. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell button to be notified when I upload, which at the moment with lockdown is going to be more regular, but still on a Tuesday. Hopefully you did like this video. Everything that I've used will be listed below for you guys. As always, everything is cruelty free on my channel, and some of these products are also vegan friendly. Yeah, I hope you are staying safe. I hope you're washing your hands. I hope you're social distancing, that you are staying inside and you're only leaving the house when you really, really need to. And that doesn't involve seeing your partners if you're not living together. That also involves not seeing your friends. Stay at home. Stay safe. Just use your head. Just don't do anything stupid. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!